Yes, now I can. Yes. You want to wave? Yeah. Oh, gosh. Watch out, it doesn't hit the play set. Oh my. Here it goes. Oh my. I'm stepping back. Ah, yeah. Awesome! There it goes. Took down half some other trees with it.
Awesome! And a bunch of leaves came down like fireworks.
Didn't kill the play set either.
That was very. Look how close it came to the slide.